How to make $100 per day online, part 26. Hey, what's up you guys, this is Art from Art of Marketing blog. This is the 26th way you can make $100 per day online. I hope you're enjoying this whole YouTube video series. This method that I'm about to share with you is so easy, even a 5-year-old can do it, okay? So I will show you everything in just a minute. Before we will jump into this video, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, click on the bell, leave me a comment. Please do these 4 things, it really helps my channel out. And check out all the links in the description of this video. I have my coaching, my free courses, my free case studies. I have all the tools I'm using to make money online. So check it all out. And right now, let me share my screen. Let's jump into this video. So guys, what we will be doing is simply removing background from images and photos. And yes, you can actually make money doing this, and it takes literally 2 seconds, okay? I'm going to show you exactly what to do. But first, as you can see on Fiverr, if you're gonna type in remove background from image, we have people selling literally hundreds of these gigs. It's $5, but keep in mind, this is a 2-second job, okay? So we have this guy right here. I will remove background from image. He sold 263 gigs for $5. 520 sold. We have 525, 321. So guys, people are buying these gigs. People just don't know how to do it themselves. And you can also search for remove background from photo, so image or photo. And again, we have 434 sold. We have 790 sold for $5. Guys, this is absolutely crazy, because once you will see how to actually do this, it will blow your mind, okay? So the tool that you can use to remove background from photos is clippingmagic.com, okay? So obviously you can use Photoshop or more advanced software, but right now I will show you how to do this even if you are a total newbie, if you're a total beginner, you never made any graphics in your life whatsoever, even if you're 5 years old, okay? So how this works is you just upload the image. Obviously this image will be taken from your client, so let me just upload it right here. And right now, as you can see, it pretty much already removed the background for me. Now when I'm going to click on this green thing right here, this is the things that I want to save, okay? So whatever I want to save, I will mark in green, and in the red I will mark whatever I don't want. So for example, we have this part right here. You know, I don't want this part, I don't want this thing right here. So just make sure that you know, it looks as perfect as it can. It might, you know, sometimes it's tricky, like with the hair, etc. But that's essentially it. All you would do is just save it and send it to your client. That's it. Literally, you know, 2-3 seconds and you are done. Now guys, let's go back and let me actually show you the pricing for this, because this is a paid tool, okay? So for the light version, you gotta pay €3 per month, which is $4 per month. Standard, we have $5.99, which is like $7 per month, or Pro, $14.99, which is like $18. Now, obviously, you can use this tool and you will make your money back with your first order right here, okay? So this is if you want to use the paid version. I also wanted to show you a free alternative, okay? So the alternative is a little more advanced, but it is free, okay? So the website is photopea.com, and this is essentially Photoshop, but in the cloud online. So you don't have to install anything, you don't have to pay hundreds of dollars, and in a nutshell, you have almost all the same functionalities, okay? So just open whatever you have from your computer right here. Let me open the same image, and you can remove backgrounds, you can do all these different weird things, just like in Photoshop, okay? So I'm not a Photoshop expert, I don't know how to actually do this. That's why I showed you this first tool, which is super newbie friendly, but with Photopea you can do pretty much everything just like you would in Photoshop, okay? So guys, that's the video for today. This is the easiest method for making money online and working from home out there. So I hope you see how powerful this is, especially because people are selling hundreds of these gigs. Guys, before you go, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, click on the bell, and leave me a comment. I really appreciate it. Check out all the links in the description, and I will see you in the next video. Ciao.